Today you'll learn how Rail Movement Planner centralizes and orchestrates all the information for your interests. A railroad has many departments, and each has its own goals to achieve. But how can we possibly meet everyone's demands? What's best for the railroad? From maintenance to operational, from commercial to HR, what's the priority? Such demands are often directed to the Operations Center, which receives and processes all this information to take decisive and effective action, all while surrounded by conflicts of interest. And that's where Rail Movement Planner steps in. RMP is a great asset for the Operations Center that gathers all information from the entire operation and unites all objectives into the company's plan. By playing no favorites, Rail Movement Planner's entire focus is the business's success, ensuring what's best for your company. Rail Movement Planner is the solution your railroad needs to ensure optimal circulation plans in real time. Achieve your railroad's full potential by using Rail Movement Planner. Count on us!